Happy Tuesday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. So this is so crazy to say this. I never thought I'd say this my whole life, but we have such an awesome team and it has grown so big now that I am darn near running out of time in the day to announce all of the awesome features that keep coming out. I mean, obviously, you always see me in these crazy videos and you think I'm like the only person, but I am representing this huge, amazing team behind me of awesome product managers, engineers, support people, success people. I mean, everybody across the whole team, but they are just going crazy. We're coming to the end of the quarter. We have tons of features coming out. So on that note, let's dive in. Let's get started. I got a ton of videos coming out today. So first up, let's talk about Audit Log Enhancements. Okay, so first up, obviously, let's just revisit. So we got our settings in a location or also at the agency level, but in this case, it's definitely going to be in the settings at the location level. On the left-hand side, we have audit logs, right? Audit logs are amazing. They give us lots of information about things that are updated and so forth, but we're also starting to add not just, hey, heads up, this changed, this got deleted, updated, whatever, but also the restore functionality, right? Because oftentimes we're going to find, oh gosh, darn it, so-and-so deleted this, darn it, that really set us back. But that's nice to know, but now we also want to undo that action, right? And so today we're going to be talking about an enhancement for that. So let's take a look at a couple of screenshots to kind of bring us through it. So you can see right here, opportunities being deleted, contacts being deleted. You can also now restore them. So if you take a look at all of this, you can see that when, let's say this opportunity right here has gotten deleted, you can hit the little 3 dots right here and you can actually restore it. And it can also restore the underlying contact below that as well if the contact was deleted, and all the other associated items with it, right? So you've got, you can see the contact gets restored, the opportunity gets restored, the task gets restored, the notes gets restored. So it makes things a lot easier. So if we jump into the release notes here, let's cover this together. So what's new? If an opportunity is deleted but the contact exists, the same can be restored from the audit log module. If an opportunity is deleted and the associated contact has been deleted at a later time, then the user needs to restore the contact first and then restore the opportunity, because they can both do that. If the opportunity is deleted due to the contact deletion action, then the user will see a force restore option, which is the new feature that's introduction, by which the user can restore the contact and the associated opportunities, right? So the force restore option, as you can see, will also restore the contact associated, plus the task, the notes, and you saw that in the screenshot, and the opportunities if deleted. As you can see on executing restore and force restore, the logs will also note all of this. So that is an awesome feature of the audit logs and a great enhancement by the team. So just wanted to get that out, and I've got lots of other videos coming up next. Thanks.